Hello everyone, in this video I will review the SpotOn Fence. SpotOn Fence is a GPS-based dog fence that allows you to create safe boundaries without the need for physical wires. Using just a collar and an app, you can set up multiple virtual fences by walking the perimeter or drawing it on your phone. It works anywhere with a GPS signal, which makes it useful for both home and travel. The main features include the real-time tracking, escape alerts, and the ability to save up to 20 fences. The system is waterproof and rechargeable with a battery lasting about 18 to 24 hours. It also comes with training tones, vibrations, and optional static correction to help train dogs to stay within the boundaries. The pros are that it's flexible, portable, easy to set up, and covers large areas up to hundreds of acres. It removes the hassle of installing underground wires and gives freedom to dog owners who travel or have big properties. The cons are the high cost of the collar, limited battery life that requires daily charging, and the fact that the GPS signals can sometimes be inaccurate in heavily wooded areas or places with poor coverage. Some dogs may also need time and consistent training to adapt to the system. Overall, SpotOn Fence is one of the most advanced and reliable GPS dog fences available. It's a great choice for pet owners who want flexibility and peace of mind, but the high price and resilience on GPS may be drawbacks for some. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.